Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock people on Messenger. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. First, open Messenger app and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon at the upper right corner. You can see privacy and safety. Tap on that. Now under who can reach you, you can see the third option, block accounts. Tap on that. It will show you all the people that you have blocked on Messenger. So in order to unblock these people, tap on their name. Click on the first option, unblock messages and calls. Then simply tap on unblock. Now you have successfully unblocked someone on Messenger. Another thing is that if you have also blocked them on Facebook, first you have to unblock them on Facebook and then you will get the option to unblock them on Messenger as well. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.